I'm no stranger to cutting or dyeing my hair, but I tend to do it in baby steps. No matter what I seem to do with my hair, after a few months it usually looks like this again. And there's nothing wrong with that. I love this. It's safe, but it's boring. Today I'm going to try and step a little bit further out of my comfort zone. Hello lovelies, I'm Zoe, welcome to my channel, and today I have decided to completely change my hair by cutting it, adding bangs, and then dyeing it. I am not a professional at all, so to minimize the chances of me wrecking my hair, I will be following a couple of Brad Mondo haircutting tutorials. If you have no idea who Brad Mondo is, he is a wonderful YouTuber and stylist, and he also has a line of vegan and cruelty-free hair products that I intend on trying in the future. So go check his stuff out. So after the cut, I will be dyeing my hair with overtone, but I'm not going to go into any detail about that because I will be covering that in a full review with color fading updates in a completely separate video. I have already watched these videos, but I am going to be rewatching them so I can follow along. I'll watch a little bit, and then I'll cut a little bit, and then I'll watch a little bit, and then I'll cut a little bit as we go. The very first step, though, is to perfectly straighten my hair so I can see exactly what I'm taking off as I'm doing it, and my hair is currently sticking to me, so I'm going to do this off camera in another room with a fan. I'll be right back. My hair is perfectly straight, and holy moly, out of frame long. It's too long. As you can see, I'll back up, but it's barely fitting in the frame. It's really long. I've got my tools. I just gotta pull my table all freaking way back here. I've got a hairbrush, and I've got my shears, and I've got a comb, some clips, and some hair ties. So I fully intended on following the instructions as they are, but I decided to tweak things just a little bit just for ease. He does a 4-point cut. So he separates the hair right behind the ear, and then this would be a section, this would be a section. You do the same thing on the other side for a 4-point cut, and it would end up with a haircut that is straight across, right? He says that a V-shaped cut is outdated, which might be true, but personally I've tried the straight across look and I just don't like the way it looks on my hair, personally. So what I will be doing instead of the 4 sections is just these 2 sections. I'm going to split my hair, well I already did, I split my hair perfectly in the back, and I'm just going to bring it all forward so that after the cut is done, it will be a little bit longer in the back. First thing, okay. So, we will see what he does next. Alright, so he says not to pull the hair forward, but to pull it more towards the shoulder. So I'm going to do it like right into the armpit so I can make sure both are the same. And then we're going to, I think I want it like here. So brush it out and put a ponytail in there. I got these tiny little ones. And then just let it fall. That's a lot of hair. Okay. Actually, I'm gonna pull it down just a little bit because I'm scared. Alright, there. Now, same on the other side. My head is straight. Oh, this one needs to come down a little bit more. So here's the bottom. I think think we're good. I think we're good. Okay. Okay. And now he says we're going to go in and point cut, which is cutting like this instead of like this. This is a lot of hair, okay? Alright, okay. Let's just do it. I'm just doing it. Like, this is doing nothing for me anyway. Like, this is just holding me back. Let's, How slow am I doing this? My hands are shaking so much. There. One down. I've got a monitor over there just to make sure that everything's framed. If you're wondering where I'm looking and why I think everything's backwards. There it is. It's gone. Okay. Now, moment of truth, see if they look even! Oh my god, okay, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Alright. Next step. Goodbye, hair. So then he says there will be a little bit, oh, I better back up. There will be a little bit of a ledge here because of the over direction. So brush it all in front of my face here so that I can see, or so I can't see actually, but so I can see. Okay, maybe just slightly. I don't see much. Maybe I didn't over direct it enough. I can't see very well. Just cut into it. Okay. I can't see. Alright, oh yeah, no, I see. That works. That works. And then he adds layers, but I'm not going to add layers because my hair is really fine and I like it. I really like it like that. Looks so much thicker. Oh my goodness. It's short. I cut a lot off. Oh my gosh. I like it though. I like it. It's good. It's still quite long. But maybe I'll dip it in less of my food now if I hold everything here. Oh yeah, okay, alright. I'm just gonna go quickly check the back of my head, make sure there isn't anything wonky going on, but here, sure, I'll show you first. Let's see. What do you think? Did I mess it up? So now we will be following the hairdresser's guide to cutting your own bangs and not ruining them. But this time I am going to follow the instructions like completely to a T because I really don't want to mess bangs up. I'm going to be following the second tutorial in this video for the straight across bangs with my hair cutting shears. And the first step in that is to section our hair. Okay, I'm going to brush it all forward. And I can't really see anything. It says lean your head forward and then from the top, I'm going to say about this much. I don't know, I might end up taking a little bit less. Follow down to your eyebrow, the end of your eyebrow. Here. Okay. Yeah, that's definitely not going to be enough hair, so I'm going to go back just a little bit farther. to the edge of your eyebrow. Okay. I still got this part here. And I'm just gonna clip it back. So, there is the first section. Okay. Now we do the same thing on the other side. Oh, do you see that? Do you see that? That's pretty much right. Okay, so he does the centerpiece first to mark the length. So, no tension on the hair. We're just gonna let it sit in the comb. And we're gonna start. I did this with the wrong hand. Okay. There to start. And we're point cutting again. That, I think, is the perfect length for now. I can always go back and make them shorter. See what the next step is. My hair's not staying very straight here. Okay, and then he bevels it out at the sides so that it's not so straight across. Now I'm walking you through this like I know what I'm doing, but I really don't. I'm just like following the instructions. I have no idea what I'm doing. It goes down. Oh, okay. I think that, yeah, that looks like what he did. It does look like what he did there. Okay, so after that he goes in and he shows you how to thin the bangs a little bit, but I think mine are the perfect thickness. I don't know, I guess, yeah, no, that's the word I'm looking for. I think this is the perfect thickness for me. And I was going to bring it a little bit shorter, but to be honest, I kind of like it. It's a little bit in my face, but my hair wants to part in the middle anyway, so. Okay, I am gonna make it just a little bit shorter. Okay, I really hope I don't wreck this. Okay. Ah, better. Much better. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, I love it. I love it. Ah, okay. All right. Now, nobody told me to do this, but I like to have these little pieces in the front. Let's see if I still have them from before. I like it. I like it a lot. Ooh. I will come a little closer so you can see. Oh, I really like how these bangs came out. What do you think? Thank you, Brad Mondo. Thank you. Mwah. All right, so now I'm gonna dye it. I'm not gonna show you any of that though. Maybe I'll come back with the dye in my hair, but I want it to be a surprise, so see you in a little bit. What do you think? Okay, it looks kind of crazy right now, I know. I straightened my bangs, but I haven't styled my hair yet because I wanted to show you how different it looks. I was kind of scared taking off so much length, but I am really glad I did. Like, oh my goodness. Okay, looking at this hairstyle, I think I want to do space buns. That's the vibe I'm getting from this. Oh, and it's not black, by the way. It's, I don't know if you can see it, but it's like blue and purple. And it's a bunch of different colors. Not quite black though. I'm really terrible at transitions, but I'm gonna try and do this. So, was that okay? Let's montage. Alrighty, I completely forgot to film an outro for this video, but I wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I really enjoy making these videos, and it means a lot to me to know that people are watching. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to let me know. You can also connect with me on other platforms, all at Unorthodox. Subscribe to this channel by clicking here, or watch another video by clicking over here.